Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel Easy Cooking and Life. Today I am going to share a very special and delicious recipe with you, Hyderabadi Chicken Biryani. This is a classic and royal dish full of rich flavor and amazing aroma. If you follow this method step by step, so you will get the perfect biryani, Hyderabadi biryani at home. So let's start the recipe. First, we will take 1 kg of chicken. Make sure the chicken is clean and properly washed. I did wash here 3 to 4 water. Now we will prepare the marination, which is the most important step for the flavorful biryani. In fact, Hyderabadi biryani. To the chicken, we will add fried onions. I am taking here 6 onions. These fried onion gives a beautiful sweetness and aroma to the biryani. Next, we will add 2 cups of curd. Curd helps to make the chicken soft and juicy. Now, let's add our spices. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. This will give a strong and authentic flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of salt here, sorry, 2 teaspoon only, or you can adjust according to your taste. Next, add half teaspoon turmeric powder for color and mild flavor. Now add 2 teaspoon of red chili powder. This will give the biryani a nice spicy taste. Not too much spicy biryani I am making. If you want, so you can add more red chili powder. Then we will add 6 green chilies. You can adjust the number depending on how spice you like. Now add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds powder. This gives a unique taste to the biryani. Also add 2 tablespoons of cardamom powder also. It's a elaichi powder. This will enhance the aroma and gives a rich flavor. Now mix everything very well so that the all spices are coated nicely with the chicken. Next, we will add oil and ghee also. So I am taking here add 1 cup of oil and half cup of ghee. This makes the biryani rich and flavorful. Now we will keep this marinated chicken aside for at least 20 or 30 minutes. If you have time, so you can keep it longer for better taste. Now let's prepare the rice. Here we are taking 1 kg of basmati rice. It's very important. We should take only basmati rice for especially for the Hyderabadi biryani. Always use good quality of basmati rice. Wash the rice properly with I did wash here with the 3 to 4 times until the water becomes clear. After washing, soak the rice in water at least 15 to 20 minutes. This helps the rice the cook perfectly. It will not break. Now let's prepare the water for boiling the rice. Take a big pan and add enough water. Let it start heating. Now add 1 teaspoon of shahi zeera. Add 3 to 4 pieces of whole spice like cardamom seeds. Also add some garam masala. Now add some chopped coriander leaves and chopped mint leaves. This gives a fresh and nice aroma. Add 2 to 3 green chilies. Let this water boil properly. Once the water start boiling, add a little salt and then add the soaked rice. Now soak rice until it about 80% done. Do not overcook the rice. Otherwise your biryani will become mashy. After the rice is cooked to 80%, drain the water and keep the rice aside. Now let's move the layering process of those rice. Take the marinated chicken and spread it evenly in the thick bottom pan of biryani pot. Now add some garam masala on top of. Sorry, it's a green masala. Just add chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves again. Squeeze some lemon. I'm taking here 2 lemon. Now evenly. For decoration and color, add a little biryani color or food also. And we have to add some ghee. Then you can see, okay, finally garnish with fried onion. Now we will cook the biryani. First cook it on high flame for about 2 8 minutes. Then reduce the flame to low and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. This process is called dum cooking biryani, where all the flavor mix beautifully. And after that, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then open the lid. After the cooking time is over, switch off the flame and wait for, I'm again telling you, 5 to 10 minutes, leave it. And now open the lid and you will see your delicious Hyderabadi biryani is ready to eat. The aroma is amazing and the rice and chicken are perfectly cooked as you can see. Now gently mix it from the side, not the whole biryani. We should not mix it and serve hot. You can enjoy this biryani with the raita, salad, and it's a curd raita. It's your choice. I will be making for you new delicious Hyderabadi recipes. Thank you for watching. See you. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.